let's start. Find this. Just give me a minute. Let's start. Alright, so you guys can hear me? I'm audible, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
Fine. So what we discussed in the last lecture?
Download Linux software and Ubuntu.
What we discussed in the last lecture, everyone?
Installation of Ubuntu.
Ubuntu installation we have seen, right? Okay. So basically we have started talking about the basics of Oracle DBA, where in order to understand about the Oracle DBA technology, we should have a knowledge about SQL and Linux, right? We started talking about the Linux technology. So as I said earlier, in Linux also we have multiple flavors are available. Like we have a Linux technology which is provided by Red Hat. We called it as a Red Hat Linux. We have Oracle Linux is there, Ubuntu, Fedora, CentOS. Likewise, you will find different operating system. Okay, but these are all Linux operating system only. Now, if you use Linux operating system or Unix operating system, in order to use this operating system, you need to have some basic knowledge about the Linux command. And these Linux command are generic. It's not like for Ubuntu you have different commands are there. It's not like for Red Hat Linux you have different commands are there. The commands are same irrespective of any flavor which you used. Okay, now to make you understand about this Linux technology, we have used Ubuntu, right? And in order to do the installation of Ubuntu operating system, what we have done, we have used Oracle VirtualBox, correct? So first of all, in the last lecture we installed Oracle VirtualBox, and then on the top of it what we have done, we have installed. Once we are done with the Oracle VirtualBox installation, then we are going to see how to install the database and all. Okay, that is the next part we will see. Right now let me share my screen. So I'm just sharing my screen here and I'm opening the Oracle VirtualBox. So I'll just search it with the VirtualBox. Okay, Acha, till now whatever we have discussed till last lecture, are you guys able to understand everything? Oh man, my keyboard is not working. Acha. Keyboard is not working. Okay, so I'll just start your machine. Which machine we have created? Anyone remember what name I have given? Why your machine is not
No,
there?
we didn't create anything, sir. You just randomly
So we have
select.
not done the installation.
We have just downloaded the
Acha.
Ubuntu and VirtualBox. Now installation not
Yes,
done.
sir.
Installation is not done. Fine. Okay. So basically what we have done in the last lecture, we got this VirtualBox, right? We got this Oracle VirtualBox, and under this Oracle VirtualBox we are going to install this Ubuntu operating system, right? So in the last lecture we downloaded Ubuntu, we have downloaded the Ubuntu, and today we are going to see how you can do the installation of Ubuntu, right? That is what we are going to see in today's lecture. Okay, now so I got this VirtualBox. Okay, so what I will do, I'll just click on new, and I'll give the name of my operating system. So I'll just give the name like September, SEPT, and July I will give. Sorry, actually my My keyboard is not working, looks like some issue. So I have just given the name like September, July, September. I'll just give the name like Ubuntu, Ubuntu. Okay. Now, in which folder you want to store your files? It is asking me that. These files are like related to your virtual box. So what I will do, I will not use my C drive because most of the time, we have our softwares are available under the C drive, and we do regularly clean up. So what I will do, I'll use in different drive. So I'll click on this PC and just select any drive where you have around 30-40 GB space is available. So I'll just use G drive, right click, new folder, and let me create a folder here with the name September Ubuntu VM. I'll just give the name like VM. Select all. So you can use G drive, E drive, whatever drive you want to use. If you do not have other drive, you have only one drive is available. So you can use C drive also. But try to use a drive which you will not delete. That is what it is recommended. Now the next thing is you need to provide the ISO image. What is ISO image? By using this ISO image only, we are going to install your Ubuntu operating system. If you are asking me that whenever you are installing any software, first of all you need to download that software, right? Just like I am installing my Ubuntu, so I need to download that software. Now similar way I'm going to download it. So I click on the other, and we downloaded that Ubuntu from Ubuntu website, right? If you remember in last lecture. So where I place that, I have given the name Ubuntu VM. Maybe I have kept somewhere. Let me select the path, Ubuntu ISO. Okay. So this is the ISO which we have downloaded in the last lecture, and I have just selected that Ubuntu. Okay. Then by default, automatically it has, by selecting the ISO image, it has automatically understand that I'm going to install a Linux Ubuntu operating system, 64-bit operating system. Just click on skip unattended installation. What you need to do? You need to check skip unattended installation. If you are not doing that, your Ubuntu installation will be done automatically. But I don't want to do that automatically. I want to do it manually. Then click on the hardware. So what is this? Okay, let's try to understand that. What is this? Okay, see, whenever you are installing any operating system, not only just Linux, okay, if you take the example of Windows operating system or any other operating system, whenever you are installing any operating system, every operating system you need to provide CPU, you need to provide memory, and you need to provide the number of the hard disk, which is a storage. Okay, which is a storage. Let's take an example. Let's say you are going to purchase any laptop, right? So what configuration you are looking for? What basically you are looking for? You are looking for, okay, how much CPU you have in your laptop, how much memory it is supported, how much storage is there, right? Similar way, whenever you are installing any operating system, you need to provide three things: CPU, memory, and hard disk. So CPU is like, let's say, we called it as a number of core also, okay, means let's take an example. I want to perform two things parallelly. Just take an example. See here, I'm opening this OneNote also, I'm using this Zoom software also, I'm using this VirtualBox also, right? Likewise I'm running multiple operations at a time. Now in order to perform this task parallelly, what you need? In order to perform this task parallelly, what you need this number of core. This is coming with the processor. Like I'm using this i7 processor, Intel i7 processor I'm using right now. So I have around 12 cores are available. So I will use this core, this operating system will use this core to run your applications parallelly. Why we run the application parallelly? because if I'm not running Zoom, so how will I connect? If I'm not opening the OneNote and Zoom together, how will I show this screen, right? So we need the number of cores. If you have more number of cores, your system will be really faster. Similar way, we have memory is there. Right now I'm having 32 GB of RAM is there. Whenever you are doing any operations, like the Zoom recording is going on, right? So it is basically processing internally, and in order to process anything, it required a RAM memory. In some time we called it as a RAM also. Like whenever I use the terminology called memory, you consider it as a RAM only, how much RAM you have allocated. And storage is basically this hard disk. Like if I want to store videos, audio, image, photos, right? We need a storage. So whenever you are installing any operating system, we need to provide these three things: CPU, which is number of core, memory, and hard disk. Now how much CPU you are going to allocate? Like just for the practice purpose, one core is also enough. For memory, you can allocate minimum I'm saying 2.5 GB. This is a minimum. And hard disk, you can allocate 40 GB also. This is a minimal configurations. But since my laptop is having more configurations, I will use more. Now those people who have around 4 GB of RAM, they can use this configuration. But those people who have more than 4 GB or 8 GB, they can increase it little bit. If you increase the configuration, your machine will be much faster. That is the reason. But don't increase too much that your other applications will be impacted. What I mean to say, if I'm going here, it is asking me that how much memory you want to allocate. See here, I have 32 GB of RAM. But do you think that this 32 GB of RAM, everything will be consumed by this virtual box only? No, right? I have other things are also available. So what I will do, I will allocate around 7 GB. I will allocate here 7 GB. Okay. Just for because I am having 32 GB now. In your case, it may be 16 GB, 8 GB, 4 GB also. Those people who are using 4 GB RAM, the system will be little slow, actually more slow. So better you can visit any laptop center, ask them to extend your laptop configurations to 8 GB. Okay. And that will make your life easy. Long term, it will be good for you. Now coming to the processor, see here, I have 12 CPUs are there. So I will allocate 3 CPU. Okay. Now those people who are having 8 CPU, they can allocate 2 CPU also. Okay. Coming to the hard disk, I have 2 TB of hard disk is there, because I'm doing a lot of trainings, right? So you can see on my left hand side, a lot of machines are available. So what I will do, I will allocate the hard drive around 80 GB. What I will do, I will allocate 80 GB here. Okay. So this is the configurations which you need to use whenever you are installing any operating system. These configurations, this setup is kind of similar for all operating system. Let's say in future you got an opportunity to install Red Hat Linux, then also the setup will be same only. Okay. So what I did till now, let me repeat it one more time. So I have given the name September Ubuntu. I have given, you can just give Ubuntu, no need to give September. I have changed the folder. This is a location where my ISO file is available. These things coming automatically. Check this skip unattended installation. Then in hard disk, I have allocated in memory, I have allocated 7 GB of memory and 3 processors, and hard disk I have given 80 GB. So this is what I have done till now. Okay, till now whatever we have discussed, are you able to understand, everyone?
Yes.
Everyone? Okay, so let's do one thing. Let's follow this instruction which I have done till now. Okay, I'll wait. The things which I have done. Okay, going forward from tomorrow, you need to come up with the laptop. Please be ready with the laptop. Do the installation along with me. We are going to see this like kind of master class, you can consider it as, or webinar. I will do, and along with me you will do. Okay, so this is the way we are going to do. By any chance, again, you, if you got stuck somewhere, you got some different issues, after that class we will have support team is there. Okay, they will take your control and fix the issue. Okay, okay, please do that and let me know once it is done. Any question, guys, till now? If you have any questions, please feel free to ask the questions. Okay.
Sir, in folder section, it it will randomly choose, no? I mean, by default.
By default it will select the C drive. Okay.
But in my case, it's showing only G. There is no any
C
path.
drive na? So did you created this folder?
No, not it.
Just okay, go inside the G and create this folder. Okay, so that
Okay.
your files will be there.
Okay.
Sir, can we install external hard disk, sir?
Can we install on you can do that, but I'm not sure how it will work. Okay, because we have not done till now. So if you are able to see my problem is that if you attach when it is attached, there is no problem, but when you are just removing it now, that time how it will work, that need to be seen. So you can try it. Okay, you can just create a folder, try it, and then try to attach it again. Will it work or not?
Hi, sir.
Yes, tell me. No, your voice is breaking.
Hi, sir.
Yes.
My laptop RAM is right now 4 GB. So suppose I want to increase the with 8 GB, then this configuration need to done right now or later.
No, you can visit any laptop center now. Okay, or you can do installation now also, no problem. Okay, just allocate
Okay.
less memory. Okay,
Okay.
you can don't.
Sir, my Ubuntu is not opening. It is showing some technical issue. I don't know what happened.
What is the problem you said?
The Ubuntu that I have downloaded, it is not opening.
No, you don't need to open now. Why you're opening it? You just need to select that here. What I did, ISO image is there now. Just go click on other, and wherever your ISO file is there, just select that. Just
It
select the
is
path.
showing repair or remove.
Okay, let's do one thing. I'll check that. Okay, after the class, we'll check that.
Okay, sir.
So again, I'm saying if you got stuck somewhere now, then just concentrate on the class. Okay. Anyway, we are going to provide you the recording after the class. Okay. And even after the class also, we will help you. Okay. Don't worry about that.
So I will get anyone assistance to help me this out.
Yeah, you'll get it after the class. Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah, hi Ankush.
Everyone, let me know once it is done, guys. Okay. In the chat option, let me know once it is done so that we will proceed. Otherwise, I'll be here only. And we are going to have this session daily. Okay.
Hello.
Yes, tell me.
Yeah, Ankush, I'm from PostgreSQL batch. So how I can find this recording? Like,
uh for pose no, we will upload it to your drive also. Okay, we'll do
okay.
that.
Sir, still facing same problem, sir. I have created
What is the problem?
that folder related.
No, what is the problem in that folder?
I have created in D drive that same like you, September underscore Ubuntu underscore EVM.
Hmm.
After that, I selected like folder D,
Hmm.
showing just D, not their path or not anything,
Hmm.
only that.
Hmm.
Yes,
You selected that, then
it's not showing like how there is a like path G slash September that under the
no, what I
dash
did,
you
see,
want
I'll tell
to.
you what I did. You just see,
Yeah,
man. Okay. See,
yeah, yeah, okay,
I click on the other. Okay.
okay.
This PC. Then
Mm-hmm.
I click on the G drive. Okay. Because I have
Mm-hmm.
space available in G, and here I created this folder. Where is that? This one. How I
Yeah,
created?
first.
Right click, new folder, and I created this folder. Just a blank folder I created. Then I just
Yeah,
double click on it and selected that. That's it.
yeah, I have done also same step, but it's only selected G drive, not any part. मतलब वो आगे का ले रहा ही नहीं सर.
That's fine. Okay, I'll check that. Okay, no worries. I'll check that.
हाँ, वो बात. Okay.
Sir, from 4 GB, how much RAM need to
2 GB you can
allocate
allocate, 2
and
GB.
processor?
One processor 2 GB. But again, I'm telling you, once your work is done, na, try to close that machine, because your
Okay.
like your other application will not work, because 4 GB is nothing nowadays. Like all laptops will come for at least 16 GB, 8 GB.
Okay. Means 2 GB RAM and processor 1 CPU.
Run one CPU. That's it.
Okay. Thank you.
Is it done, everyone? Others at least.
Certain.
Yes, yes, done.
Please let me know once it is done, guys, so that we will proceed.
Sir,
I am
need to click on
facing the
enable
issues after the
EFI.
class. I will check with the backend team.
What you said?
Sir, I am
Need to,
facing the issue.
The backend team will be available after 10 o'clock. Okay.
Yes, sir.
sir, need to click on enable EFI.
No, no, no,
One
no.
option is there. No. Okay.
Like this. Okay. Okay. So here I have allocated 7 GB of memory out of 32 GB, and 3 CPUs I have given. This memory is processors hard, like we can change it later on also. Okay. Even after the installation, we can change that. There is no problem. And here I have allocated 80 GB of space. Done. Once it is done, now you can click on finish. Okay. Once it is done, you can click on finish.
Hello, Ankush Sir.
Yes, yes, tell me.
Yes, we have to untick now. Sorry, tick that skip unattended installation part.
Which one?
That first page part.
Here, skip unattended installation. Check that.
Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, got it. And after that, finish. Okay.
Yes.
So we can create multiple machines, no, sir?
We can create. See, if you see my left hand side, can you see?
Yes, yes.
I have multiple machines are there. Okay. So the machine on which you want to work, you are going to start that machine only.
And we want, suppose we want to delete that. So what will
You
be the
can do
process,
that.
sir?
I'll show you that. I will show you that. Okay. Once it is done, we'll show you that.
Okay.
Is it done, everyone? This part till now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Finally, you can click on finish. Okay. Finish. See, as soon as I click on the finish, you can see on my left hand side, there is September Ubuntu machine got created. Okay. Here on my, likewise, I have multiple machines are there. Let's say I want to start with my PostgreSQL batch. I want to start with my RAG batch. I want to start my Oracle batch. So respective machine, I'll start it. Okay. Normally. So what I mean to say, you can have multiple machine and you can run multiple machine also, but you should have sufficient memory also allocated. Let's say the person who is having 4 GB of RAM, he cannot run two machine also at a time. Okay, I can run three machines at a time because I have more number of CPUs as well as more memories available. Now I want to start this machine. So what I will do, before I start and click on the start, click on the settings, click on the settings, click on the network, and you need to you need to use this bridge adapter. What you need to use, you need to use this bridge adapter. Just select this option, enable network adapter and bridge adapter. Rest of the things you don't need to touch anything, just select that, click on OK. What I did, let me repeat it. Click on settings, click on settings, click on the network and select this bridge adapter. Why we are doing that? Because I need internet under my Ubuntu. If you want the internet inside your machine, if you want the internet inside your machine, what you need, you need to select this bridge adapter. Okay, you need to select this bridge adapter. Okay, if you need internet inside your machine, see, I should be able to connect to the Google, I should be able to do search. For that we are going to use these options, bridge adapter. Click on OK. Once it is done, let me know guys. What I did, click on settings, click on network and then bridge adapter. Okay, just say yes once you are done in the chat option. Okay, done. Okay, nice. Okay, so what I will do, once I'm done with this Ubuntu installation, I'll click on start. Okay, I'll click on start, and as soon as I'm clicking on the start, you can see on my right hand side some pop-up is coming. Okay, okay, nice. Then we have an option called try or install Ubuntu. Try or install Ubuntu. What I will do, I'll just press enter. Just press enter. Okay, just press enter, and it will start showing you the logs. Okay, and let me know if you're able to see the logo like this on your screen. So this will take some time, just wait, and it will show you the window of installation of Ubuntu. Okay, so all right, so I can see there is a pop-up with the name install, and there are two options are there: try Ubuntu and install Ubuntu. Correct? Now what I need to click? What I need to click? What I need to click?
Install Ubuntu.
We need to say install Ubuntu. What do you need to say? Install Ubuntu. So I'll say click on install Ubuntu. Okay. And the language is by default English, which is the right options. No problem in that. And now it is asking what is the keyboard layout. That one also I'll select it as English only and click on continue. Okay, let me know once you are able to see the screen like this on your laptop, and then we will proceed. Acha, just wanted to confirm, like, you guys are following me or not? Like, are you guys doing with me, or you want to see
Yes, sir.
some, right? Everyone?
Yes, yes, sir. We are doing along with you, sir.
Okay, nice. See why I'm doing like this? Because we are in the initial phase. Okay, if you are doing with me, like, there is a chances that you will do it at least. After the class, I don't know how many people will do that. Correct? So better you do it with me.
Of course, sir. Definitely. We are doing, sir.
So here you can see normal installation and download update while installing Ubuntu. Just uncheck that. We don't need any update. Just say normal installation. What do you need to say? Normal installation. Just do like that. And click on continue. Fine. Acha. Everyone,
Sir,
can
I
you?
have a doubt.
Hmm. Yes,
If
please.
we log in, if we log into Ubuntu, is it compulsory to follow the same step like network, bridge network?
Correct. Why you need to follow? Because let's say in future I'm going to talk about how to install the package. Okay.
Hmm.
and when I'm running the command, my command will run, but your command will not work. Okay.
Okay.
One more thing, like if you don't have bridge adapter now, or let's say you have not selected bridge adapter now, later on also we can add it, no problem. You just need to click on settings and you can add bridge adapter later on also. So if you forget, no problem. Okay, you can just go to the next level.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Acha, till now are you with me, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, we can update setting later on. Uh, it is
You
possible,
can
sir.
do that. You can do that. Okay.
Suppose I want to increase the storage, so we can that we can do that.
Storage cannot be added. Okay.
Okay.
There is a
Initially once.
you can you can increase the memory. You can increase the number of CPU. Storage also you can add, but it needs a lot of efforts. Okay. So that is a it's not that straightforward. Okay. So that is the
Okay, sir.
reason try to use 40 GB at least. If you have 40 GB na, then also enough. 30
Yes.
GB is also fine. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And finally, you need to click on install now. You will have options like erase disk and install Ubuntu. Don't worry, nothing is going to be erased. Click on continue and click on install now, and it will start the installation of your Ubuntu. Now you will see a window which is going to take another 1 hour. So it will be like that only. Don't worry about that. There is no problem. Okay, it will be like that only. So nothing to worry. Okay.
Sir, it will ask write the changes to disk. Can I
No
press
problem.
continue?
Continue. Just click on the continue, and then it will start doing the installation of your Ubuntu. As I said, this is going to take another 1 hour, so it will be like that only. Okay. So do not shut down your laptop. Make sure your laptop is already charged very well, and in last it will ask you to reboot your system. So you just need to reboot that, and then I would say that your installation of Ubuntu is completed. Once your Ubuntu installation is completed, after that we are going to see how to use the Linux command. That is the next part which we are going to see. Okay. After that we are going to see how to use Linux command. Okay, so there is an option called you. Where are you? Like I'm right now inside the like in the India. So I'll just select that. Those people who are coming from different countries, you can select your country. Okay, and I'll click on the continue. I'll click on continue. Okay, so let me know once you are here. Okay, let me know once you are here. Those people who have joined late, they can follow the recordings. We will provide you the recordings after some time. You can go through that, and everything is available in the recording. By any chance, if you stuck somewhere, again reach out to the Learnomate support team. We will take the control and we'll fix the issues. Okay. Okay, so are you able to see the screen, guys? Can you please let me know or confirm me once?
Yes, sir. We are seeing that screen.
But are
Yes,
you
sir.
able to see the screen on your laptop? On your laptop, that does the screen is available?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now it is asking me. Now it is asking me your name. So you need to provide the name like Learnomate only. Okay. What is the name you need to provide? Learnomate. Do not give any other name because we need this user in future. What is the user name you need to give? Learnomate. And this username will come automatically. Learnomate, automatically this virtual box will come, and then you need to provide the password. So I'm providing the password like Oracle Oracle is the password. So do not give any other username, do not give any other password. Just keep it simple the way I'm keeping it over here. Why? Because we need to use this username multiple times. Do not use your name. We are going to create a user with your name also in future classes. Okay. So right now just blindly follow me. Okay. And do not use your क्या बोलते ज़्यादा दिमाग नहीं लगाने का. Okay. ठीक है. So just use the name which I'm telling you. And let me know once it is done. Once it is done, let me know, guys. Okay, we will proceed to the next level. Fine. So let's click on continue. And now you are seeing a screen which will be there for another 40, 50, 1 hour, depends on your laptop speed. Okay, so you will find like this only. Okay, so that's how you are going to do the installation of Ubuntu. At last there will be options to click on reboot. You can click on the reboot and then stop the machine. Okay, no need to do anything. The next part I'm going to explain you in the next lecture, and we are going to see it slowly one by one, so that every person will understand it in depth. Okay, we are going to do that. Till now whatever we have discussed, any confusion, anything, guys? Acha, everyone able to understand till now? Okay, fine. So let's connect tomorrow, and in tomorrow's lecture we are going to see the next part of this Linux operating system. Okay, so please complete this, and still if you have any issues, please reach out to our support team. We will take the control and we'll fix the issues. Okay, fine. Thank you, guys.
Yes, sir. That is must because it is showing some technical issue
They
on
will
my.
check that. They will check that by 10 o'clock they will log in. Okay, and they will.
Yeah. So one thing can I say that I live near your class only,
Hmm.
so I can come to the institute and
That's
fix
fine.
this
Those
issue.
people who can come, like, if you guys want to do the practice from our office will be open by 10 to 6. Okay. So
At
even I'll
what
be,
time, sir, I should come to fix this issue?
that's fine. If you want to come and you can visit
No,
our
no, at what time I'm asking, at what time
anytime,
should I come?
anytime, anytime. Okay.
After
Let me
10, anytime.
anytime. Correct.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay, guys. Yeah. Thanks. Bye bye.